What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to show you how to switch Pinterest accounts on your mobile device, which is something that can come in handy when you have multiple Pinterest accounts. That may become necessary if you're doing really well with one and you want to start another in a different niche. That's great, but on your mobile device it can be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to take you through that process, show you how it's done. It's actually pretty simple to do, but it can be a little bit difficult to find. So let me move over to my phone and show you the steps that are necessary. Okay, so I'm in my Pinterest app, which you will need as well in order to do this. And what you'll want to do is click on the three dots on the top right, which will take you through the main area of where you want to go. You're going to want to click on settings, and when you scroll down, you'll see it says switch account. And I'm going to blur this out because I want to keep my other accounts private, but that's all that there is to it. Now, here's the thing to understand. If you don't have another account, you won't see the switch account option in this settings menu that I'm in right now. What you're going to want to do is click on the add account underneath that, click on where it says connect existing account, and log into your other account. And once you do, then the switch account option will become available, allowing you to switch between each one or more if that's the case on your mobile device. So again, you're going to want to have the Pinterest app installed. You're going to obviously want to log into your main Pinterest account, click on the three dots like I showed you in the video before. Then you're going to want to actually click on add account if you haven't added it before, because the switch account button will not be available until you do. Add your account by logging into your other Pinterest account, and once you do, then you'll see the switch option button appear in that settings tab that I was just showing you. So that's how it works. You can add more than one. I currently have two. I'll probably have more down the line, but you can add multiple Pinterest accounts and switch between one and the other, and just look at the stats on your phone for each one. You can also browse through other pins, like them, comment on them. You can also do editing options, but that's just a whole nother story for another video. But that's how it works. If you have any questions, let me know. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.